Welcome to Contract and Risk Management in the Built Environment. This is one of several courses PMI have developed to support built environment professionals to further their learning and development, and is part of the construction professional and built environment projects. We are happy to have you on board. Click Begin to get started. Research in the construction industry has identified that the contract process is often completed in silos, without the correct level of communication, resulting in a lack of mutual understanding of the different contract clauses. This, in turn, leads to unsuitable contract structures and project delivery methods, and can result in issues, claims, and even disputes downstream. Poor understanding of risks and prioritization can also result in project failure and, in extreme cases, companies folding. Therefore, careful planning and management throughout the project lifecycle is necessary to mitigate against claims and ensure project success. In certain cases, claims can't be avoided. So, the key is knowing how to manage the issues with a standardized process focusing on early resolution, which is the purpose and focus of this course. The objective of contract and risk management is to put in place the right strategies to implement best practice across the contract lifecycle, allowing the project manager to choose the right contract structure and delivery method at the right time for the right project. Once the right contract structure and delivery method is in place, the project manager then needs to consider classifying, prioritizing, and managing risks across the lifecycle of the project in order to minimize or avoid claims or disputes from occurring. This course is broken into the 3 major areas covering a total of 8 sections listed here. Take a moment to review the course layout. When done, click Next to learn more about each area and the content they cover. Contract management is the process of managing contracts that are made as part of the delivery in the built environment. It involves the creation, analysis, and execution of contracts by the parties to those contracts, ensuring operational and financial performance is maximized and risks are minimized. The contract management area covers the contract life cycle, including the different stages, key activities, and best practices. You will also learn about the different delivery methods, contract structures, and associated tools used in the industry. There are inherent risks with any built environment project, and these risks need careful management to avoid loss or project failure. Risk management in built environment projects is designed to plan, monitor, and control the measures needed to prevent exposure to risk. To do this, it is necessary to actively manage the risk and to put in place the processes and procedures as part of the planning stage of the project. The risk management area discusses the various project risk classification and prioritization processes. You will learn about the risk management framework, stages, and process. You will also learn key tools and techniques used to manage project risks specific to the built environment industry. Claims commonly arise between the parties to construction contracts. This can be as a result of problems such as delays, changes, unforeseen circumstances, insufficient information, and conflicts and disputes. Claims might be made for things such as loss and expense, extension of time, and liquidated damages. The contract should set out exactly what can constitute a claim or dispute and how it should be dealt with. The Claims and Disputes area reviews the main claims types and causes specific to built environment projects. You will learn how the contract and delivery strategy impacts claims and the importance of implementing a robust risk process, best practices to reduce claims, an introduction to the standardized built environment claims process, and claims dispute resolution techniques. To get the most out of each section in the course, you should access the recommended further reading, download the documents and templates, and complete the quiz questions. Congratulations! You have now completed the Introduction to the Contract and Risk Management course in the built environment. In the next section, Contract Lifecycle, you will learn about the different stages and key activities involved in the contract lifecycle, the important clauses that need to be flagged and understood in built environment contracts, as well as the best practices to implement across the contract lifecycle process.